just be prepared with you. Once you can love someone or something, be prepared to what you'll go through pain. And sometimes certain pain is something that you have never imagined before. You understand? But for the sake of love, you'll go through it.
Yes. Welcome to another episode yeKota to Media #sisazokhuluma. I'm your host once again umduduzi wakashabangu. Siphinde sibonge ukuthi sihlangane. Le ndaba iqala ukuthi umntana uma ngabe sasemncane umphukudla akhale angakufuna ukudla but wena mzali sukune reason yokuthi why umupha le type yokudla le. Mangabe sehambe seyesikolweni umntwana eyoqala ko grade 1 akhala angasifuni isikole but wena mzali sokune reason kumntana ngaleso sikhathi kuyipain ukuthi usahambe isikole angasifuni mayesekhula umntwana mangabe nje seqala ekhula ufuna ukudlala kuphela bathanda ukudlala abantwana mayefuna ukuzidlalela nje yena kuphela each and every time wena mzali lokhu yambuyisa gezizitsha washa geza funda incwadi kumntwana yonke lonto leyo ipain ngaleso sikhathi leso nini kuze kufike kuyistage la eseqala maybe ukujola khona wena mzali yambuyisa futhi yekela umajola bhekana nencwadi ngoba wena mzali usukune concern but kumntana ngaleso sikhathi leso kuyipain so nje sokhuluma leyo ndaba leyo yokuthi pain is love but before mina ngithi ngingakhuluma kakhulu ngibadedele nje abafowethu kodwa ke baqale babingelele ke ngiqale ngale kumzolisto
sanibonani emakhaya kama uZola ngiyabonga ukuba nani futhi.
Ya danke mzolisto halalelo.
Sanibonani babukeli igama lami nginguHalalelo Mahlangu. Halalelo Mahlangu.
Yes.
You can call me Halalelo. I hope you will enjoy. Yabo.
Yes, I do enjoy.
Yes, sanibonani emakhaya ufada minje loyo. Ngisesikhaleni. I hope now usesikhaleni.
Yes. That's all.
Yeah, siyabonga. Igama lami Tetso. Yeah. Siyabonga ukuthi unathi.
Because lethu lokudlala.
No, igama lami Tebogo Molefe.
Tebogo Molefe.
Yes.
Siyabonga. Hey.
Sure.
Niyabona nje sifaka ama jacket kuyabanda la esikhona. Hey weather today jikile. Yimi kuphela oshiselwayo. Ngishiswa ile topic, ngishiswa abafethu ngiyazibeza lento as very powerful. Ngiyamumbona umzolisto ngadle already ufuna ukusho something.
No,
asiqale kuwena.
No, nje mangihleka nje hayi ukuthi ngifuna umuntu serious.
Okay.
So uthi dadewethu wethu la igama lakhe lizima kum. Kusuke ngithi uhelicopter.
Oh. Yeah. Nithini le ndaba yokuthi pain is love. Because abanye abantu bangayithatha mhlambe ngenye indlela but ngeke ngenza njengoba bekusaqalile nje ukuthi umntana uma umkhulisa is painful kuyena ufuna ukudlala ngempela futhi but wena mzali uyacabanga ukuthi akagezile uyacabanga ukuthi incwadi akayibhekanga you are doing it out of love but kuyena kuyipain lento ongayithatha because asikhulumi kuphela ngendaba ye parenting singayithatha size siyibuyise kuma terms mhlawumbe umuntu ufuna ukuqala ibusiness but ngesikhathi lesefuna ukuqala ibusiness kunezinto kumele azisacrifice and it's painful ngaleso sikhathi sacrifice izinto but njengoba sacrifice zonke lezo zinto lezo that person is doing ibusiness afuna ukuliqala out of love ngisama nje ukuthi ngiyibuyise lento le ukuthi si expand ngokukhuluma kwethu.
Yeah, well bina my message for today engifuna ukuthi nginikeze abalaleli ukuthi nababukeli ukuthi don't count days, make days count. By so saying don't count days, make days count. Ali Muhammad for sure abaningi bayamazi uAli mhlawumbe abaningi bamazi ngeCassius Clay ku one of ama quotes akhe uyasho ukuthi no actually I hate every minute of my training but I told myself that I have to stay strong if I want to remain a champion. So basically, I hated all the days of my training, every minute of it. But I told myself I won't quit if I want to remain a champion for the rest of my life. So basically, Ali Mohammed, champions are not made a ringing. That's not where they are made. Okay. They are made a gymini. Laba trainer khona. That's where champions are made. And akukho mnandi e gymini.
Oh yes.
Trainers. Ukuvuka ekseni ngo4 kubanda kule winter. I hope everyone uyayizwa this winter uthi bandanga kanandi wesiqwe ngakhona. But you have to wake up every day ekseni ngo4 because you have to train.
Yeah.
Because you want to maintain lento yiyo, that champion that you are. It's pain. But now it's a love because you know ukuthi a process inzima but it destination la uyakhona. We know ukuthi destination kuba happiness.
Ilento
ifunayo. So lana mangisupport the statement ngiyisupport ngalawo magama lawo. Abantu abaningi kahle kahle banokuyenza mistake yoku underestimate the process. We underestimate the process and overestimate the event or the destination. Wonke umuntu ufuna ukuyibona pop ama bottles and drink champagne. Drink champagne. That's an event. It's a destination.
Yeah.
So if you reach the finish line lapho. But akekho umuntu ofuna ukwenza leo marathon. That 5 hours a marathon. It's a process. It's painful.
Yeah.
But in order to reach there, since the crown as a winner of the today, we have to go through the process.
Okay.
So, into ngayisho ukuthi i process asingayisabi bafethu. They stay the course if we are really interested ekulifting ama trophies.
Yes, ngiyayithanda ngendlela manje soyibuyisa ngakhona ukuthi uthi asengayisabi pain.
Yes.
That's what actually you are saying. Whatever oyifunayo uzoyithola but through pain. Ngeke nje uvele uyithole nje. Uthini Ntetho? Dala manje singakuboni.
Oh sure.
Yeah, since sagcina ngalesi asikhathi lesi. Thank you nje ukuthi ube khona today.
Sure.
Yeah, ngiyazi uzosithi nje ngewisdom.
Yeah, I I'm still in processing what you are asking. When a statement esisho ukuthi if you want peace, you must prepare for war.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, so nayo if lento le bayibiza ama dialectics, like dialectics is everything that you do that is against another force. Ngingasho the other time ngathi sometimes izinto sizonda because of love.
Yeah.
So you don't hate what you don't love. You hate because of love. Meaning if something ewithandayo ahambe ngeprocess efanele ihambe ngayo, ugcina sowuzonda because of it didn't go the way it should have been. But I'm not there. Actually bengifuna ukukhuluma ngalento yokuthi bengifuna ukukhuluma kahle kahle. I wanted to expand the process on the issue ye action and motive.
Yeah.
Ukuthi umuntu angayenza i-action ethile, but you must always check the motive, not the action.
The motive.
Yeah, the
behind,
motive.
yes.
Because a person can do a good thing, but with the hate motive. Somebody can do a bad thing with the love motive. As you said it, ukuthi umntwana uyashawa. Sometimes ashawe ngokuthi uyamthanda. Other people call it tough love.
Yeah.
So I'm saying umhlaba mawungawubheka broadly this thing, mawungabheka all these things, anything that has war in it, that has ukulwa ngaphakathi, the motive kahle mawungabheka deep, the motive is love.
Oh yeah.
Licala kuthando and then ya breaker somewhere and then it becomes to a point ukuthi abantu sabayalimazana sabayenzana, but everything started kuthando. Understand? Maybe I might expand it and cause confusion, but I was visiting prison the other day and I was asking abafowethu ukuthi crime why bayenza,
Yeah.
I was looking at the things abanye bayenza armed robbery, abanye many things that are wrong that they were doing. But funny enough to understand ukuthi these people, when they were doing whatever that they were doing, the answer that I got from there was the fact ukuthi bebayenza this thing, they were going through a risk and a pain and whatever that they were doing, or causing pain to other people, because there are certain people that they love that they want to show uthando kubo. Even if I don't want to promote a crime or whatsoever, but umhlaba nje generally is caused by uthando. People, they do a lot of things that are very much somehow abanye ba exercise ekuseni, go through that pain in order for them to get the love of what they want to be and whatsoever. But the perspective engi understanding izinto eziningi ipain ekhosekayo ikhoswa uthando kaningi.
Okay.
You know, umhlaba nje umuntu akaveli nje avele azonde, or umuntu akaveli nje abe nento ezi wrong in his mentality, or with the issue ye pain ukuthi azuse ubuntu ipain. The motive kaningi
ithando. Okay. Angazi ukuthi abanye bayizwa yini, mhlawumbe usazodinga ukuthi uyisimplify futhi kancane. Uyibekile a bit deeper. But before sibuye kweni, uthini helicoslo halalelo? Yes.
Mina the way ngibona ngakhona ngibona sengathi like njengoba like sithi pain is love. Yabona if sizothi pain is love, at the end it should be ama results akhona. Now as a person mhlambe as mina njoba ngiyi teenager, njengoba like mhlambe ubaba athi ngatsho and whatsoever, of which mase ngikhula ngiya realize ukuthi man yasibheka right, because okay, the more you grow, like okay, the love you uthando you realize and uyakhona ukublenda nobabakho because of the things that bakhuzela zona. Awugcina usola, but mulandela like imiyalelo yabazali ugcina ube like yo, this is love yabo. I will be like, hey, mina ngiyasola ukuthi why ngimamela abazali bami ukuthi no, like for real mina yabona today each and every day ngiba very grateful kuba nabazali abazongitshela and bangabi more secretive because of at the end of the day it's not like okay bayenzela mina ne, but mina ngenzeli anyone a favor, ngizenzela mina. So somehow as tina youth or abantwana sayibona iqiniso mara you be forcing to do something wrong, ububona ukuthi wrong. So who's fooling who? Are you fooling yourself? And at the end of the day uzobudla le pain le, like ipain phezu kwe pain yokuthi umzali wakho ukutshelile wambulala wamenzani, like kuning honestly. So I feel like love is pain in a good way. You gaining isn't easy yabo, it's worth it somehow. Yabo abazali bazothi ungadli junk and when ufuna yona and bathudla ama vegetables, they know. That's why bathi nje libuzo kwa phambili, because they know ukuthi junk izokenzana emzimbeni, ama vegetables azokenzana emzimbeni. So for me, shout out to them, shout out to y'all.
Okay.
So yes.
Okay. Mzolisto, khona le pain le instilwayo kumuntu ngenkani, because wena ngesikhathi leso usuke shuthi kulowo muntu loyo kuyipain, but wena usuke unenhloso ye love, usuke ufuna okuhle, bese kuba khona ipain leyo umuntu Mandla kwayisho ke leyo ukuthi wena ungene ngempela ejimini ujime, like uyazi ukuthi uqala this year uyajima but uyozugijima next year ku Durban Marathon, kodwa uqale this year. Yayibona that pain leyo uyazenzela wena, but yazi wena uyogijima nini.
Mina mhlawumbe ngizodifara kancane or ngizofakazela some of izinto abazisho amajita here and there. Mina mangithi ngiyabheka out of each and every achievement we achieved, it comes with a pain yayo.
Okay, yeah.
So that pain in this sense is love, because that's the pain oyithola ubusy ngento oyithandayo. That is why noba kubuhlungu kunjani uloko uphikelele uyenza this thing. Although there's this pain trying to achieve this thing, but I will feel kangako this pain because it overshadow with ithando lwakho lento ofuna achieve. So you don't feel. So that pain iwuthando because now we feel at this pain because we want to achieve this thing withandayo. So that pain automatically becomes love.
Yeah.
I'm sure that's why today city pain is love.
Yeah.
Ingena kanjalo.
Yeah, uyazi nami to add on top of lento esisho uzolo notetso ne waphinde wathi uyibeka naye uhali lapha. Kuwenzeka one time omunye umama eqeda ukubeletha ebeletha umntwana. Ya shothi nje besembelethile sebemgezile esemkhatlishile you know mangabe umntwana seseyange sesemusha umama emkhatlishile emncabuza ejabulile by the time ukuthi finally umntwana mhle kangaka ejabulile umama. So bayambuza ukuthi mama uma ngabe kungenzeka lento siyazi kungeke yenzeke but uma kungenzeka kube kuthiwa you can go through the process labor again. Uzale lo mntwana o happy ngaye today lo mntwana ombambile ngaye today. Can you do it? Uthi lo mama if happiness if this is what it takes to be this happy what will pleasure say I can go through it again to have this happiness.
Ngiyakuzwa
umntwana mayizo emhlabeni umama uyaza akizi kalula but uma ngabe eqeda ukumdeliver that happiness
joy ukukhohlana nayinhlungu lesi lesa qeda kudlula kuzo
immediately nayimbona
inhlungu sivela sikhohle Alright. Ibuya kwena Tetso. Ukhulume okay but ithi usho lokho ufuna ukusho.
Okay, yeah, mina bengifuna ukuyibeka in a way ukuthi Jesus Christ had to go through pain in order for salvation to be there. You know, Nelson Mandela had to go through pain in order freedom to be there. So it goes back to the point of ukuthi somehow, somewhere, pain, it can be defined as sacrifices and compromises that you do.
Exactly.
Whether daily or weekly or yearly or whatsoever the case might be, in order to achieve lento ofuna ukuachieve. So it comes again to a point of as ordinary people, you know, every day uba uyavuka eksena yosebenza ngabo 4 and whatsoever bamthuka belungu, or let me not specifically say ubaba or umama. You know, bamthuka belungu or asebenza kabuhlungu or whatever that happens through the day. But when it comes to payday, anyeke akwadi ngepayday ngoba ilanga le achievement, understand? Then you can able to process ezinye izinto bekazifuna empilweni, whether for the kids, abantwana bakhe, whatever the case might be. Same with kids who are going through school, whether like let's make an example, umuntu esikolweni for 1 year, anzi course ye 1 year, and then umuntu enzi course 7 years, of which siyazi 7 years is about doctor. Understand? They don't go through the same pain and they don't go through the same joy. So the higher the pain, the higher or the better the joy. Understand?
Exactly.
Yazo ungathi wenza usebenza for 7 years, umuntu ayesikoleni for 7 years. Do you know ukuthi leya doctor nangatheka lezi zinto ozithenge wena for 7 years thenge in 1 year?
Yeah.
Do you understand?
Yeah.
So I'm simply saying ukuthi compromises and ama sacrifices that we go through that create pain in our own systems on daily basis as ordinary people. They encourage you to push on if you are looking focused on the mark ukuthi what do you want to really achieve on that time or on that space in regard of ukuthi what will you go through. Understand? But if you are really focused, was ukuthi yazi ngiyayifuna lento lena ngiyifuna as in yesterday, you'll go through that pain and you'll do what you need to do in order to do what you want to do. You know, there's that saying, you're going to do what you have to do in order to do what you want to do.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, amanye abantu bayibeka bathi before action, but in before action there's what?
Reaction.
Kunenye ngizwe recently bathi before action this ngizoyikhumbula, but it speaks of ukuthi before jabula fanele kusebenza.
Okay.
Yeah, the whole explanation ukuthi before jabula or before you celebrate anything, you must know ukuthi there must be work that you need to put on.
Oh
Honestly.
yeah.
Same in anything, even in a relationship, you need to work in that relationship. Not ukuthi uzothola umuntu already made ayana yonke into and everything uzomthatha and then life is over perfect. Even if perfect at that time someone, but you still have to work in that relationship. You need to communicate what. Then after masobona ukuthi okay, things are now changing to become ukuthi wena uzichange nawe naye change abe ilento leni, then you'll see the results.
Oh yeah.
So results, they don't come just simple. So in context of pain and love, you know, it's exactly that thing. It's a contestation. You work through something. That's the painful part of it. Including ekolite, pero kolite ulanda gutele bayakupa bayenzani, but ikolite maselihlelila anye ukuthi malubona ikolite bese uyakhala ukuthi kubhlungu ikolite.
Yeah.
But it's because of the results. You understand? But it goes through a lot of things. It goes through fire. Nabantu abalifuna, it goes through a lot of pain. It goes through a lot of sacrifices, a lot of compromises in order ukuthi sibe nekolite.
Ya uyibekile ngifuna nje ukukhomboza ambukeli lapha ekhaya usabhekile ukuthi the aim yale topic or the aim njengobuzwa nje kukhulunywa nje kanje ukuthi sizothi yonke into yasetshenzelwa ayikho into ezakalula ukuthi kaningi siyasaba ukudlula ebunzimeni sifuna izinto ezizakalula and eziba khona izinto ezitholakala kalula but azisilast azisatisfy asibe happy so sizothina enjoy pain enjoy uma ngabe ukuthi destiny yakho kodwa uyayazi ngoba before njengoba besho nje abafowethu before leya happiness layer kufanele udlule kwipain so sizothi thina musukuyisaba sizokukhuthaza lapho musukuyisaba lento le ngena kuyo mawungena odakeni yothi ufika lapha phambili obusugeza ubemuhle ngiyakuzwa mzolist
uku-eda kulento oyishoyo Mr Mdo wela ngifuna ukusho amagama nje okugcina wami nginawo right now. If pain is the price you pay to achieve whatever that is you want to achieve, exactly that pain is love. If you're doing something there's no pain at all there and the lento leyo it's about achieving something kumnandi nje kulula kunayo everything is easy.
Yeah,
that thing is not make sure.
Yeah, it's not make sure.
It's not make sure.
Yeah, is it? Yes.
It's become musical.
Yeah.
Nami into engayisho nje bafethu ngathi let's embrace pain. Yeah, asingayisabi nje athu edo lento eceda ukisho tetso mzo nawe mntu nawe hali ukuthi no let's embrace pain. Because kwi pain it's where you get a promotion yakho. It's where you're going to be promoted kwi pain. Ukuthi you can stand the test of time. Even the gold njobuye washo tetso ukuthi it has to go through fire in order to be refined. It has to go through fire.
Yeah,
the gold. But once say refiniwe wonke umuntu ufuna the piece of it. It's gold.
Yeah.
So asingayisabi ini pain. Uma ngaba ama results hayo egood ngaleyo ndlela.
Oh yeah. Halalelo.
Yes. I don't know if Naya's Noma yin yang. Maybe I'm a China. Yeah, so
Yile mina ngiyazi.
It's sort of like it's again, and then it has the black side and the white side.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so
ngiyayibona into kanjalo, right?
Yes, so I believe that everything has its positive and negative. And for you, kuya ngumuntu ukuthi focus on negative or a positive. You can take the negative and make it a positive. Because at the end, when if you got passion for whatever you love, at the end of the day, it's easy for you to be like, yo, you're kunzima, but you don't embrace ubunzima. You embrace the better version of yourself. Each and every day when you wake up, I was comparing nomunye umuntu because you know ukuthi uphuma phi. You know that the bad you or yabo past yakho, the way you were. So every history noma ngathi ungabeka imillionaire ibeke la and be like bukunjani uqale kanjani uzokutshela from like i-background ukuthi ukhule kanjani, like my strategies, what yini adlule kuyo yabo into ezimbi, the bad side, the effect, but now sakayenze kanjani. So I believe like everything yin yang, like yabo we revolve, even mangathi abheka khona uNkulunkulu khona uSatan. Of which you won't focus on Satan. You focus on what you want to focus on, God, if you believe in God, if you so everything, like, I don't know if you do get me or what, but
yeah,
well, so similar things. So yeah.
Okay. I know we let her guys. Yes,
yeah. Now me I ask this yin and yang, clean. No, where. Noma nginayo lokhu njani ulwazi oluphelele ngayo, but I understand ukuthi in order ukuthi uthi uyakhuluma amagama amnandi laphana ukuthi umuntu angenza into embi, action ebad with the motive, with a good motive. Okay, sometimes umuntu angenza a good thing isinesibwa ihle but with a bad motive. Sometimes it was about that in each and every good thing there is a bad thing. In each and every bad thing there is a good thing.
Okay.
Should it go like la kunokhanya khona lokunyama busuke bukhona. Just lapho nje. It depends ukuthi wena yiphi into ofuna ukuyisustain.
Yes.
Ufuna find yabo exactly.
All right.
Yeah, I think I spoke about this thing, Sakala, but I didn't put it much deeper to say. I said these things is called dialectics.
Yeah.
So now, dialectics is exactly that. In every love, there's a hate. In every darkness, there's light. But now, when you need to fight, you need to push. There's forces in between. So these things, they have equal power. Zoe too. But you need to force, you need to decide, you need to choose the side that will win the other over the other. I don't know whether I make sense. So, siphilela yona lento le emhlabeni. You know, we were born for that, and siphilela solve those issues. You understand? You know, it's called dialectics. There's forces in between love and hate. Left and right, there's always forces that are fighting amongst each other. So when you're caught up in between to decide, and to decide sometimes is not easy, it's painful.
Yeah.
You understand? Because you need to then prove a point to which I take love, out of hate. You understand? And to prove that thing out, it takes a serious pain, it takes a serious process.
Okay.
Yeah.
I know izwakela another reason for this topic ne ukuthi uma ngabhekisisa kahle emzansi sikhala ukuthi umsebenzi ayikho ukuthi vela ayikho but uma ungaya kumuntu nomuntu ophila eSouth Africa noma nje emhlabeni wonke unada thing yokuthi mangenza this thing mangathengisa leya product mhlambe mangenza lokho ilife yasekhaya ngayichange but umuntu besebuka ipain yakhona avela yeke athi ayinokuzoba nzima engathi kuzoba ngcono ngiyofuna umsebenzi lo ongekho futhi yeah
I think maybe a real story and I'm glad to share a real story next to the person that I'm next to.
Okay.
I think we once had a debate in Omilo at some times
Yeah.
So before I even get into the story, what you're saying, actually, to support what you're saying, there's a difference between a dream into a tandayo. into ofuna ukuyenza ne-opportunity is something that just came and then but what then so yangena ngoba
yeah
you
because
see
opportunity
just into evelile manje
Wayigrabha,
asile
yes.
nto always bowulibile ufuna ukuyenza.
oh yeah
So we're having that debate nomindla ngithi kuye you know what kahle iziveze is not an opportunity. It's a dream. It's something that you need to start siyenze and take time on it. So every step we take we need to make sure that we make it yabo
yes
to the core because this thing angeke ivuke manje ngavuka after 10 years.
yeah
So the baby steps that we take, they need to be concrete and must sacrifice. Sakhumbula the first part of the pain of eating. Sakhumbula siyofaka amaphepha diplufu ekuphi exceed. I think it was around 5 o'clock exceed.
Yeah.
Because we wanted to raise funds. That funds was around 4,000 or whatever. Ukuthi siyopusha that thing, ukuthi pusha this talent what for young people. The undiscovered talent for young people. Ukuthi kube another show, understand?
yeah
So I was very strict mina, or I was very rigid in the process mascala because I knew ukuthi this thing then it's a dream and a dream ayikho easy. Yabo.
Yeah.
But if sicala idream kunama kudlala nyana nyakwata. Vele ngikwata on the spot ukuthi mfethu phela there's opportunities that I can just take ngiyofuna umsebenzi as you say.
Yeah.
After some time after that event we did it actually. We did that thing sayenza sawa successful. Sayenza that event. Then we had to ukuthi sikhulisa distance sikhulisa. But I then saw ukuthi somehow some other people they are playing.
Yes.
Then I left that thing.
Oh yeah.
Understand because ngibona ukuthi kuyadlalwa la and mina ngapha ngifuna ukushada ngapha ngifuna ukwenza izinto eziningi and my time is not with me.
Yeah, samskade.
Inesikhathi ukuthi in this age I must have been done with this one and this yabona.
Yeah.
So I then said ukuthi I know let me go for the opportunity because this dream I got izokuhead. Then
this pain ngathi izokuhead.
Yeah, the pain of it because I saw ukuthi yazi the view engibuka ngayo ngibuka ile and ngibuka ikude angibuka ngathi sizoyachieve manje ngibona ngathi after 10 years at least yabo not now. Understand? So some of the artists must be assigned ukuthi bayenzeni people were playing, people were playful ngathi now I cannot waste time and be playful while I can find another way and then have an opportunity even though it was not my dream. Understand? But nakhona still it doesn't mean ukuthi mangiyekile then it's gone.
Yes.
Because in the heart in the mind is still there.
Nakho yakhumbula namanje.
It eats you. And it eats you every time ovuka unolento ukuthi ngizoyenza nini that thing there.
Yes.
Understand?
Yes.
When I'm going to deal with that thing and go through the process of the pain of it and then do it deliberately so that you'll be liberated in your heart and do what you love to do. Yeah.
So that uzosho ukuthi ngafika I came.
I managed to follow into engithandayo ngayenza kaze ngayiachieve.
Unfortunately nje ukuthi abantu abaningi sikhuluma ngeziveze abayazi abanye abantu iziveze. Hey project le eyakuyathi ukuba khona bekumuphi unyaka? Exactly nje. Uqala kwayo ke maybe. Iziveze. But before abantu babone that thing ka government yeziveze koyo kwaba ne real yeziveze kwasho ukuthi ke along the way because yazi ke pain endleleni then ulele gama lele salibona sesilibona ku TV nje uthi awunalo lele gama lele government usiyalisebenzisa kuphi but esikhuluma yona le nto leyo okunye senso soyivezile le ndaba yikho khona lokho ukuthi abanye basaba ukuqala abanye bathi sebeqalile because of pain bashiye phansi and manje uma ngabe usoshiye phansi futhi njengoba futhi ubusoshile ukuthi this thing it will keep on eating you ukuthi kube ngayiqedelela so nje mhlambe siqhuba lento lena singasho nje sithi into uma ngabe usoyiqalile wabuza ubuhlungu bakhona vele uqhubeke waya juluka waya ngoba uma ngabe uya phambili at least une picture yala uyakhona ukuthi mangifikile lapha ngizoba ne peace but uma ngabe ukuthi uzoma endleleni automatically usune answer akusenayo enye answer once wama ianswer yakho isifailile kanti mawusaya phambili usenento ezo2 kungenzeka khona kufail but hayi nokuzophumelela yeah Halalelo
Hey, ngizoze ngikhohle ukuthi so in the Bible
yes
uNkulunkulu bathi uyasho lapha eBhayibhelini ukuthi bokumnyama then wathi let there be light kafika ukukhanya and then he sacrificed God Jesus because esithanda I don't think if bengasithandi bangeke sacrifice njengo Jesus he sacrificed because he knew the motive. God is love.
Yes.
God is love himself. So I believe nje after all like love it's a big name, it's a huge name. Ukuthi somehow everyone noma ngaba nenhliziyo embi kanjani kodwa there are people ozobathanda empilweni yakho, there are things ozozithanda empilweni yakho and somehow okay relating to the Siyaveza or Zivez. So apparently I've been trying and I don't know why. Okay, I've been trying to look for the work meantime. Got to equals value and stuff. So obviously going to the mall and going to the like restaurants and whatsoever and mabang reject and stuff. Oh, the pain. I felt the pain, you know. And well, I didn't quit. ukuthi okay. I think I still have the motivation ukuthi yeah, I still going to do it. Tomorrow can be a better day. Tomorrow you hawuthola umsebenzi and you know can do the things that you want to do. Like thando yabo because if you do forget the passion and the love then it's no use. So I, like for you to uqale maybe indlu you have to put love phansi qala because izo indlu yakho izo if there's no love. So yes. Yes, thank you.
Ayi ngiyayithanda ilokhu ngana iexample oyilethile especially when we talk about God. Singabukela kuyena because iaim yakhe kwakukusindisa abantu ngokusacrifice ngoJesu. But kwafanele kube njani? Asacrifice ngomntana wakhe yena yedwa. It means singasho sithi nakuyena that was painful. Especially futhi ngoba phela kwangesekhona nje ukuthi okay nanga umntana sengiyakusacrifice kwaba iprocess before kuze kufike ilokhu ngana i-resurrection kwaqale wathukwa washaywa wenzwa yonke lemihlolo leyenziwa so yayibona that process leyo kwaba i-crucifixion which is not easy ibhlungu manje cabanga ubukela umntana wakhe enzwa yonke lonto leyo azazabulawe but yena wayebuke the end goal so nje wenze example right mangabe uthi mhlambe singabukela nakuyena abe example yethu ukuthi ngena kwipain sizothi ebantwini ngena kwipain ungayisabi ungabi nandaba nomuntu oseduzane kwakho othi ngeke uzuyikhone lento ngeke uzuyenze ulethi pain kuwena wena yiba focus ukuthi mina ngithi ngizoyenza okubuke yabo nje whatever ama distractions nazo zonke izinto ama rejections zonke izinto ongahlangana nazo endleleni zonke ziyipain but wena uyazi ukuthi mase ngifike lapha kula ngifuna ukuya khona mhlambe sesiyivala singabi bada kakhulu yazi ezinye izinto zemnandi mabe nikhuluma zithi sasemnandi bese niyayishiya ngoba mase niyilola kakhulu noze niyimoshe zibe zimbi mhlambe nje mase siyivala sasemnandi kanje siqale ngakuphi siqale kumzolist ngiyazi uthe usukhuluma amazwi okugcina angikupha okugcina ke manje ngupha okugcina mzolist
okay yeah I think without pain kuncane unga-achieve elifeni because mangithi ngiyabheka njengoba ngingasho futhi ngizophinda futhi ngisho ukuthi yonke into uzithole uachievile the road that you take to success almost yonke indlela leyo iyipain
yes
so leyo pain leyo if it's what it takes ukuthi uachieve ungayiphinda phinda ngayi10 ngayi20 njengoba sikawasho Mandla ngoma mayithola umntwana ukuthi ungayiphinda even nakayi-20 if ever after this pain I'll achieve so much. Now let that pain come again.
Yeah.
Which means now the pain le ilolu thando lwalento ozeke uyi-achieve. You don't even feel ukuthi feel a pain because now happiness at the end after we started with this pain. That means this pain is a road to happiness, is a road to love.
Yes.
So if pain is what it takes to achieve, so pain is love.
Thank you, Zola. Okay, it is.
Yeah, I mean, in closing, I can say, fana nokuthanda umuntu nje, hey, kunzima. Because fana ukubekezele yonke lento yakhe sometimes, but because of uyamthanda, you will do what you need to do. I was watching a documentary enye la indoda it's like he was taking care of umfazi wakhe angakwazi ukuya nase toilet. So he had to deal with the whole situation. Bekagula to a point ukuthi nokuya se toilet it was a problem. So that meant because of he loved that woman, he had to do horrible stuff. Understand? Even if bangayivezi yonke, but you can see ukuthi ziyabuya la. Understand? So I'm saying that ukuthi each and every person ngaphakathi kuye unayo uthando for someone or for something. Understand? And if that thing is there in you and it's real, you'll do whatever it takes to make it ukuthi be right, to take care of it. To take care of it. Okay. So in that process, or in saying that, I'm trying to say nje, just be prepared. Once you can love someone or something, be prepared. You'll go through pain. And sometimes certain pain is something that you have never imagined before. You understand? But for the sake of love, you'll go through it.
Yes.
You understand? Yeah.
Aye.
All right, sure.
Aye, zwakele.
So I think without pain you don't grow. Like without pain you don't grow. Even if you fail as a student, even if you fail, I'll be like, no, it's fine. I even like was creating a strategy so go to pass on level 7. Go to last year move tola botum. Maka people be asking themselves to go to Haibo. I feel like you grow and you achieve whatever you want to achieve. For example, my character, the way somehow people be like nothing fun and stuff. And so me acting the role of becoming a slay queen and stuff, for me, it was very painful. Getting your phone and stuff, the work and everything, all that. But now I'll be doing as in like I'm that person. And for me, I'm really happy for that. Because I achieve it and achieve it in general. I've explored go out. So I'm happy. So
kuhle ukubona umntana ongangawe ekhuluma njalo ethi I'm happy. I hope nababukele babe motivated like ngezinto abazifunayo bazilandelele. Sure, Father Mindlo.
Yeah, nami ngoFather Mindlo in closing ngithi stay the course. You go through what you go through.
Yes.
Yeah, in the words of Kobe Bryant, if you still remember Kobe, Mr. Kobe, the Mr. Mamba himself, Oti, don't stay don't rest in the middle.
Yeah.
Rest at the end.
Oh.
Don't rest in the middle. Rest at the end.
Yeah.
And stay the course.
Ay non-begile. Kahle bonke laba bantu laba esibukela kubona kunabantu like Elon Musk ozibani bonke sibukela kubona manga kungakubheke ukuthi baqale kuphi. Angisho Elon Musk, sengikhuluma nje ngenze nje example, ngikhuluma ngawo wonke umuntu. Uma ungakubheka ukuthi sebelapha bekhona la sithi khona sibashayela izandla khona nathi sifuna ukufana nabo bonke, iningi labo badlule ebunzimeni, angathi bonke, abanye ama inheritance, but iningi labo badlule ebunzimeni baze bafika khona la nje sesibashayela khona izandla. So nawe whatever lento ofuna ukuyenza, whatever lento ofuna ukuyiachieve, be prepared ukuthi usazodlula nike nakhuluma something yokuthi sometimes uyodlula ebunzimeni obungakazi wacabanga ukuthi bengizodlula la but mawusubhekene nakho bhekana nakho udlule sizothi thina ku possible lifeini whatever ufuna ukuyenza ku possible ukuthi uyithole but yonke into ivaya through pain kama lami nami ngomduduzi ngwakashabangu ngiyayivala siphinde futhi sihlangane next time sizokhuthazana ya sizokwakha sizokuphusha sizoqala lento ofuna ukuyiqala la siyayehla la sophinde futhi siyigibele cheers